Hey, we're back. Today I'm going to show you a sunset beach setting. It's acrylic painting for beginners only. And if you do have a request, please comment down below. I highly appreciate any requests you want me to paint for future videos. And thank you so much for joining me again. Alright, I'm using a canvas paper, this particular painting, and we have a lot of colors that we will be using on this tutorial. So we have cobalt blue, we have abstract turquoise, deep turquoise, we have aqua, lime green, some oranges, some gold, and then umber, oranges, yellows. We have so many colors that we're going to be using on this one. And we have some purple and of course the marsh black. Alright, I just kind of put the horizon in there with our raw umber and burnt umber mixed with yellow in some of the orange. So like 1/3 of the paper canvas, I start to do the yellow for the sun, and then added the color of the sky, the cobalt blue, the ocean green, and the turquoise, some deep turquoise as well. Just blend them and mix them together. One particular corner would be the dark blue, and then the other left upper corner will be the lighter blue. Just use your titanium white to lighten the intensity of the color, and then use the turquoise and the ocean green mixed with titanium white. So just keep like circle motion for your background sky, and just blend them together. It will create a like a motion cloud kind of texture if you do the circle motion. The paper canvas also is hard to blend because they're really dry really quick, so keep that in mind. And this section in here would be the island, so that would be a lot of burnt umber and raw umber mix. Sometimes I mix it with the titanium white, especially in the front, so it kind of lessen the color, and mix with the blue gray to kind of portray a sand section. And then the water, of course, the water, we have the ocean green, lime green, blue turquoise, green gold. Just mix those in there, and some yellow for the reflection of our sun. And do the island in that corner where you see now. I'm adding some slope section in there to say that the island is a little bit have a depth in there. Okay, just keep adding some of those texture. Also, I'm adding more of the burnt umber for the darker section in there. And then our palm tree, we'll add the palm tree using the black, marsh black. It's a silhouette of our palm tree. I use the detailed brush for the leaves. So just, you can add 3 if you want, or 4, or just 1. It's up to you. Just keep adding whatever number you want. So this is our sunset setting beach painting, acrylic, using a canvas paper. This was painted for my grandma's birthday, so we have a design on her cake. I decided to do this setting. It seems appropriate for her. So I'm just keep adding some leaves in there in this space or the spots that doesn't have strokes. And if you're not, again, comfortable on doing the palm tree, try to practice first before you add it in your actual painting. It's not really that hard to do the strokes of those palm trees. So this is our sunset setting painting, acrylic painting for beginners, and so simple. Thank you so much again for joining me, and hopefully I see you again next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.